Okay, you know what I forgot to tell you guys? How to save the thing, right? So, uh, so remember I told you these tabs up here, there's my face right there. Up here, there's the untitled tab. That's the 8.5 by 11 piece of paper we loaded. You can close it and it goes away. Now here's the brush stroke. That's the one we're working on. That's the image we loaded. Now, you're going to go File, and you're going to save it to the cloud. So you're going to save stuff to your cloud. Here's my cloud that I have all my other drawings in here. And on the bottom here, oops, I didn't mean to do that. Let's see, on the bottom here where it says brush strokes, or you could put your last name dash first name dash brushstrokes, and you're going to save it, right? Hit save, and it's going to save it in the cloud. But I want you to save it to the, what do you call it? The Google Classroom, right? So we need to export it, right, or save it. So then we're going to go File, Save to local file as. Now, the options that you're going to get. Oh, look at this. This is interesting. Interesting options. I don't want this option of DV design, which is that's the option that I don't want. Okay. Remember, we're working with scalable vector graphics, right? So you can. It doesn't give you any other options. So, oh, now we're in trouble. Okay, so I guess we can't save it. So we need to export it. So we're going to go File, Export, and if we save it, it just saves it as this Gravit design, but we don't want Gravit design. I want the basic scalable vector graphic. So again, we're going to export, but uh, a PNG is a raster, not a vector. A JPEG is a raster, not a vector. A PDF is a raster, not a vector. So I want you to export it as a scalable vector graphic .svg. Hit that. Now that's much better. So now, for some reason it didn't save the name, so you're going to put your last name dot, not dot, dash. Don't put a dot. Forget I said dot. First name dash, and then call it a brush. Just call it brush or brush stroke. Brush strokes. Okay, you can do it. Okay, and then save it. And then when you go back to your Google Classroom and submit it. Okay, thank you.